Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to the media channel, and today we are going to be looking at the Kickstarter exclusive release of Emma, a Victorian romance. This is from Nozomi, the anime dubbing division of Right Stuf International, and they've always had like a very they've had an interesting history with Emma. They picked up the anime series when the CMX manga became a minor hit, and they did release 2 Kickstarter series of the show. I don't have the first one anymore, but I still have this one. I actually helped with the Kickstarter of this campaign, and as a result, my name, Kevin T. Rodriguez, is actually in the Kickstarter backer thank you in one of the special features. So I think that's actually kind of cool. That's why I still have this one. And, you know, as you can see, it's a very nice set. It looks very Victorian, 4 discs. It's got a, you know, little Victorian picture book, and I love the paper. It has individual discs. I mean, I actually love these thin pack box sets, but they're kind of falling out of favor with people as shelf space becomes valuable. They don't want... I mean, it's hard to think that this takes up a lot of room. I remember when this saved a lot of room, but now this takes up room. And so there's a couple of issues on this release that, you know, some people might not like. One, it's not dubbed. It's only subtitled. It was, you know, Japanese with subtitles, and also it's not on Blu-ray. I mean, you know, it looks fine for a DVD, but we have high definition televisions now. So, Nozomi's, oops, sorry about that, decided they wanted to dub the show and release it on Blu-ray. They kickstarted it, and they succeeded. And now we have the releases of Emma, a Victorian romance, on Blu-ray. This is season 1, and this is season 2. And as you can see on the back, these are the Kickstarter exclusive discs. And we're going to open them. We're going to kind of compare them to the old release. Keep in mind, I have no doubt that this one is better because, again, it's on Blu-ray versus DVD. And I actually was a Kickstarter backer on this one too, so I guess you can say I've helped Emma in her journey to America a few times. So let's open this up and let's see what this looks like. I mean, I do like the images. You know, Emma has simple animation, but it definitely has its own flavor to it. I do prefer this because it just looks a little bit more Victorian. And of course, I opened it the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Finally get that off. And so they have nice little artwork on the discs themselves. Now, you know, I'm going to be honest, like this artwork in the back, the one that looks like the actual manga from the artist, in my opinion, that's much nicer artwork. I might flip, but that's where all the information is. So now I'll probably keep that inside, but I do prefer that artwork as opposed to what's on the front cover. Let's look at the second release Blu-ray real quick. And these are always so, sorry, like just, okay, I'm gonna, wonderful quality on YouTube. You think I would learn my lesson by now and just have this ready. There we go. So, second season. I like the artwork on this. Highlights the, you know, love triangle conflict, if you will, that's in the show. And, oh, what do you know? It looks like artwork from the other seasons are preserved here. See what I mean? So, okay, that's a nice little touch that they kept that artwork. And so you know, since I have that one, I might just keep it the same way. So anyway, that's what Emma looks like on Blu-ray. As you can see, you have the whole series, 1 and 2, taking up less space than the DVD. That's one of the nice things about technology. You know, we found ways to be more space efficient on the shelf. We know that people actually have collections now, so, you know, that's what they do, and they cater to them. Again, I do miss styles like this, but that's a good little value. I think each one is about $20-$30. I don't know. Again, I was a Kickstarter backer, so I paid significantly more than what these are worth, at least what they would charge for. And again, these covers are apparently exclusive if you bought the Kickstarter, or through the Kickstarter, I should say. So, and these will have dubs, which this will not. So I don't know if you can actually stream the show anywhere. I won't be streaming it. I'm going to be watching it on Blu-ray. So anyway, yeah, that's the Emma, A Victorian Romance on Blu-ray. I'd like to know, do any of you have this set? Are you going to replace your DVDs with them? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.